Hey, it's Rayford Palmer again, author of the best-selling divorce book, I Just Want This Done, How Smart, Successful People Get Divorced Without Losing Their Kids' Money and Minds, available on Amazon Kindle, and all great ebooks are sold, also Audible. Answering your divorce questions. This question from our Facebook group, the Illinois Divorce Support Network, link in bio or description. This one is about credit cards. A person is asking, they said, basically, here's the question. Long story short, husband walked out. I'm wondering whether I should notify the joint credit card banks that were separated. I'm asking, these cards have high limits. I hate to lose them as my credit rating's great. Losing these limits would affect my credit score. What do I tell them when I call? Okay, great question. I'm not a credit advisor. I'm a divorce attorney in Chicago, and I'm licensed in Illinois. So there are folks that are better at explaining things about credit, but I do know a little bit about this, doing divorce law. So you've got the risk of their spending without your agreement, obviously, or racking up debt. You've got an issue of protecting your credit score. If those are old cards with high limits and you close them, that could affect your credit score. So remember, if they're a joint account holder, you're not going to be able to kick them off the card unless you shut down the card. So there's the difference. They're either an authorized user where you could have them removed, or they're a joint account holder where the only thing you can do is shut the card down. There's kind of a neutral way you could say this. You could say, hey, I'm in the process of separating from my spouse. I want to understand my options for dealing with credit, but keeping my account status. Can you let me know what steps I might be able to take? And they could kind of walk through the steps with you on that. You might consider opening a new card if you don't have a separate card. By the way, use an email address, or if you're going to use a mailing address, not where you are now, get a mailbox at mailboxes, etc., or at the post office. So you always want to talk to a lawyer in your area for more details on this, but that's kind of how you approach credit card stuff. Thanks for the question. Please keep those questions coming. I'm Rayford Palmer.